Could you tell the difference between a real firearm and a fake? 22 News reporter Ciara Speller found out that many of us can't, but police are putting us to the test.
That's right. At first glance, it can be difficult to determine whether a pistol is a real firearm or a BB gun.
On Tuesday, the Longmeadow Police Department posted photos of a real gun and a BB gun, asking people to distinguish between the two. They posted the pictures after officers stopped a vehicle and discovered a BB gun that looked almost identical to the Smith & Wesson .45 caliber handgun that Longmeadow police carry. People responding to the post had trouble telling the difference.
But at first glance, you really can't tell unless you're close in person with the weapon here. So for what I can tell, the one on the right, it looks like to be the BB gun here.
The general manager of the Army Barracks store in West Springfield, Jillian Chernowski, told 22 News that it can be extremely difficult to tell the difference between a real gun versus a BB gun. Airsoft guns come with an orange tip around the barrel, making them easier to identify.
A lot of airsoft and BB guns are modeled after their real counterparts. It's definitely a selling point in the airsoft and BB gun world.
Chernowski also said that people remove the orange tips to make their airsoft guns look real. And while it's not illegal to do so, removing the orange tip can lead to confusion and even a dangerous situation if you're pulled over by police.
Chernowski said you should immediately tell an officer that you have a BB gun in the car if you're pulled over. She suggests carrying these guns in a bag. Ciara Speller, 22 News.